Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you Rain Protocol. The holy grail, it says, huh? Sounds interesting. So guys, basically it's an auto rebasing and auto staking protocol. For those of you who are new to my channel, there are already a couple of videos about auto staking and auto compounding on my channel, for example about Seifu. You just buy the tokens, hold them in your wallet, and you get rewards automatically, okay, without doing anything. So let me show you guys. Rain Protocol gives a fixed APR of 1.7% daily. That means 50,000% APY, okay? Compounding yield for a minimum of 12 months. Holders will also have the option to amplify their gains by locking their tokens in the optional Holy Grail for 30, 45 or 60 days and receive up to 2.3%, that means 441,000% APY daily compounding yield, okay? As we transition through our phases of development, we will scale down APY to create further sustainability with the ultimate goal of going completely deflationary. That is very good. Guys, of course you have to remember, there are projects or protocols out there that offer you, 500,000% APY or 1 million% APY. This maybe this sounds good at the first moment, but what you must not forget is you get a lot of rewards, but the inflation goes up a lot, yeah? So there are more and more tokens in the circulating supply, and the more tokens are in the circulating supply, then the value goes down. So for the sustainability of a project, it is much better if the APY is not so extremely high. Of course, 50,000%, if you compare it, if you give your money to the bank, what will you get? 0.01%, or I don't know. Still crazy amount, okay, 50,000%. Yeah. Rain is a new financial protocol that makes staking easier and awards Rain token holders the highest stable returns rate in the crypto space currently. I would say this is not true because there are other projects. For example, Seifu gives like 383,000% APY. So yeah, but of course they want to make marketing. Yes, and they want to convince you that you invest in this project. So what's interesting about this project is, guys, listen to me, the Incinerator wallet. By burning 9% of all trading volume to the Incinerator wallet, there were two auto compounds, thus creating further deflation before being sent to a true dead wallet, gaining sustainability for Rain Protocol, which is very good. It's a very good idea. Here you can see the roadmap and additional links. What's also important, guys, let me show you. Their contract has been audited, and you can check all the details yourself if you want to, but the overall result is it passed, okay? And they have also been KYC'd. Here in this case, Assure DeFi did it, and a second time also from DeFi management, okay? So 2 times. So guys, let me show you the white paper, yeah? This is really cool. Rain is a new financial protocol that makes staking easier and awards Rain token holders the highest stable returns rate in the crypto space currently. I just told you guys that's actually not true, okay? There are other projects that have a higher APY, okay? But you can get more, you can get even more, okay? Listen guys, Rain Protocol gives a fixed APR of 1.7% daily for 12 months, it says, okay? But holders, you will have the option to lock them for 30, 45 or 60 days, and then you will get up to 2.3%. Actually, we already heard this on the homepage before, guys, okay? What's really interesting, this is not every protocol has it. The range-bound rebase token system uses a unique range system that automatically sells as price approaches the ceiling bound and buys as it approaches the floor bound, keeping the reign price within these limits for stable price and rewards gains. This is really cool, so they want to keep this project stable, guys, okay? Let me show the taxes. I mean, buy tax 10%, sales tax 20%. This makes sense because they want people to hold the token and to keep this project stable. Tokenomics, you can have a look at all those things in detail. The King's Vault is the treasury, okay? The round table is their auto liquidity. You got an incinerator, that's a burn. It's the auto burn function. 9% of transaction volume will be burned. That's very good. And the Holy Grail, that's the optional staking. We can see here you have 3 different tiers. Tier 1, you lock the tokens for 30 days. This will give you 1.9% APR. Tier 2, you lock them for 45 days. This will give you 2.1% APR. Tier 3, you lock your tokens for 60 days and this will give you 2.3% APR. Yeah. Then guys, there's a bonus. There's a bonus. What happens when King's Holy Grail runneth over? Everyone is showered with extra riches, of course. Once per day, anyone who is staking in the Holy Grail will be rewarded with a random bonus APR percent for equivalent of 2 epochs. That means 1 hour. This bonus APR can be anywhere between 3 to 10%. The king really knows how to reward his loyal Holy Grail stakers. So you will get rewards every 30 minutes in this protocol. And what's also interesting, the royal family tax, they call this anti-whale mechanism, so to say. Yeah. First of all, interesting, the daily withdrawal limit per wallet will be 2 times your daily rebase amount. Yeah. What does this mean? For example, John is making $100 per day passively, so the maximum amount he can withdraw for this day is $200. Yeah. So now you might ask yourself, what if you want to have more? What if you want to have more? Then there will be an additional tax of 40%, guys, 40%. So this should, or at least to try to avoid with this tax, huge dumps of the price. Yeah. Then we have Duke and Duchess investor packages. That means if you, you can read this in detail if you want to. Tier 1 package for 7,500 BUSD, Tier 2 package 4,000 BUSD, and Tier 3 package for 2,750 BUSD. Okay, there will also be some Royal Games coming soon, NFTs, and yeah, game coming soon. So guys, that's this project. As always, always do your own research before you invest in any project, because high rewards usually don't come without high risk. Okay, so yeah, keep this in mind. And yes guys, always do your own research before you invest your money. I'm here to show you those projects, and if you like them, you can invest. If not, just don't. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.